Here I have ASUS ROG Phone 6D, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to hold down power key, and after turn off menu appears you have to hold down your finger on power off. Then it proposes you to reboot to safe mode. You just tap OK and your device will be restarted in a safe mode. And as you can see, the sign here at the bottom says safe mode, which is the proof that we are in a safe mode right now. So if you want to quit it, all you need to do is to just restart your device and it will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.